with the advent of modern times, it is becoming more important for coal industry to reorient itself to remain relevant in the energy sector in a sustainable manner and thus keeping up with the legacy of ICOMS of previous 2 years. ICOMS 2020 in association with IIT BHU was organized with great zeal and enthusiasm this year too. The event was held on 22 and 23 January 2021 under the aegis of our Honorable CMD Sir and our functional directors, along with presence of our esteemed chairman of Coal India virtually.
It's a great platform provided by NCL to the mining fraternity, and we got an opportunity to learn so many things. We had superb interaction. Several people who are from different disciplines shared their experience, knowledge, and I was really happy to note that in this conference, even young generation people have been given the opportunity to present their papers.
The event was commenced by lighting of lamps, after which the young girls took over the stage with their classical performance. Various paper presentations, guest lectures, and seminars were invited and conducted with the sole aim to make mining more sustainable and environment friendly.
I can tell you it is more than last 2 versions of our ICOMS, and about 83 papers have been presented in this year, about 10 poster presentations and rest of the physical and virtual mode presentations, and more than 44 companies and startups have participated in technical exhibition. This is growing exponentially every year.
ICOMS had visitors from all over the country, and those who could not make it to the venue connected with us virtually, which had presenters from Turkey, Australia, and across the globe. Owing to the present global pandemic, the virtual mode of conference was highly appreciated and welcomed, due to which the industry, academia, researchers, and students could all come together, and being a collective think tank, they brought the best out of it, which made the event a huge success.
ICOM was a game changer for my life. So writing these papers and anchoring and getting back to myself, ICOMS has helped me tremendously.
Various exhibitors took part in the event and brought forward their best of researched products and services to facilitate ease in mining operations and management. Taking ICOMS 2020 ahead of the vision was participation of more than 20 startups from our NCL IIT BHU Incubation Center, who took active participation and were appreciated by all.
मेरा ये सजेशन है कि हम बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट्स को टच करते हैं, दैट इज़ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स है, आसपास की कम्युनिटी को है, हम बहुत तरीक़ों से टच करते हैं। तो आगे चल के मैं इसमें बहुत सारे सोशल डेवलपमेंट के सेक्टर्स को भी देखना चाहती हूँ, कुछ ऐसे लोगों को आते हुए देखना चाहती हूँ जो ऐसी ऑड कंडीशंस में काम कर रहे हैं और आसपास की कम्युनिटी से रिलेटेड जो वर्क कर रहे हैं, जिसको प्रेजेंट करें, जिससे हम भी कुछ सीख सकें। मैं चाहती हूँ कि कुछ ऐसे पेपर्स भी आएँ और ऐसे लोग भी आएँ जो हमें अपने एक्सपीरियंस बताएं।
ICOMS is setting new goals with every passing year and aiming for more enhancement. We are determined to keep this spark alive, which will take mining to greater heights. So don't miss out to be a part of ICOMS 2021.